Okay, so we're down at the range, and Dalton's going to have a shot at standing up with the AR15.
Oh, the AR, yes.
Yep. So everyone's got their earplugs on. So which target are you going to go for there, Dalton?
I'm going to go for the one to the very right.
Alrighty, the one to the very right. Here we go.
The clay target.
Right. So standing up, it's going to be an interesting shot. It's quite hard doing shooting standing up.
Wow, this is tough.
Yeah. And he's got it. That was a nice shot there, mate. Very nice shot.
Next one.
Next one, yep.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, but it was just slightly in front of it there. Good shot though, it was just slightly low.
Alright.